Jomo247 is a communication tool for activities, tasks and documentation. Only people selected by you have access to this information, maintaining privacy and security. Jomo247 is available on your phone, tablet or laptop, whenever you need it. The latest documentation is always available and easy to find. Jomo247 uses processes set by your company to simplify tasks into single steps. This way, following policies and regulations is simple for your team and easy for auditors to verify. Each step is assigned to selected people who can view updates instantly. Tasks only appear in your list when relevant to you. There are no emails and task-based chat is built in. Jomo247 provides a single point of reference which reduces workload and improves quality for everyone. When we are able to work together more efficiently and effectively, many more tasks can be completed without everyone needing to be involved. This is part of the joy of missing out, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Welcome to Jomo247, quality management that works for you.